In this video, I'm going to show you how to sync your FireStick Remote to your TV so you can enjoy a seamless streaming experience without any connectivity issues. If your FireStick Remote isn't working or isn't properly synced, it can make navigating your device frustrating. Fortunately, the process to fix this is simple and straightforward. Here's how you can do it. First, check if your FireStick Remote is powered on by pressing any button and observing the small light at the top of the remote. If it lights up, the remote is powered. If not, replace the batteries or charge the remote if it's a rechargeable model. Next, ensure your FireStick is plugged into your TV and powered on. To sync the remote, press and hold the Home button and the Back button simultaneously for about 5 to 10 seconds until the light on the remote flashes. This will reset the connection and force the remote to reconnect to your FireStick. If the issue persists, try moving closer to your FireStick, as Bluetooth signals can sometimes struggle with distance or interference. For voice-enabled remotes, you can also try resetting the remote by removing the batteries, waiting for 10 seconds, and reinserting them before repeating the syncing process. If none of these steps work, restart your FireStick by unplugging it from the power source for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Once the FireStick restarts, repeat the syncing process. In rare cases where the remote still doesn't sync, consider performing a factory reset on your FireStick by navigating to Settings, then My Fire TV, and selecting Reset to Factory Defaults. After the reset, set up your FireStick again and try syncing the remote once more. That's it. You now know how to sync your FireStick Remote to your TV. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.